again, the letter I.
The letter I. So today we're going to do something different. We're actually, instead of making something today, we're going to try something new.
Yeah.
And where are we going? What restaurant are we going to go to that starts with the letter I? What kind of new food?
I don't know the food and the restaurant because it died on my mind.
Indian food. So we've never tried Indian food, so we're gonna go have some new things and some new drinks, food, desserts, and we'll take you guys along with us.
Yep, Lego World!
And Eddie's got his little Lego pack. All right, Eddie, where are you at? Did you forget again?
Yeah.
Indian food. All right, so we're gonna go try something new, and it's gonna be so delicious and fun, right? All right, so we're at the Indian food place.
Yep.
And what do you have to eat? All kinds of stuff. So there was a buffet, right?
Yep.
And there's all kinds of fun stuff to try.
Yeah.
And what's the bread called?
I don't know.
Do you know? Naan? Naan.
Mike.
All right. So Eddie, first bite. What do you want to try first?
Okay.
Rice. How is the rice, Eddie? No. No.
Good.
Hey. All right, Eddie. Go ahead and try your goat. Bah. Just kidding. That's really good, huh? That one's really good, huh? So and a thumbs up. All right, Eddie's got a mango lassi. Thumbs up. I knew you'd like that one. It's so cool. Love the little pot that it's in. All right, what are you gonna try now?
My bread.
It's called. What is it called? Naan.
Huh?
Naan?
Nah.
Thumbs up. Cool. What's your favorite so far? Which one?
Mango.
Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, so these little balls are called Gulab Jamun. Jamun? I don't know.
I like this.
Oh, the sauce. Go ahead and try. They look like little donut balls. Nice. This is our dessert plate. We have something that looks like carrots and something that looks like, I don't know, a jelly cube, and then rice pudding. So these are all of the desserts, and Eddie's gonna try them all. How are you liking the food so far? Good? Mouthful every time? Chopping YouTube with the Lego man? Ah, get it out of my face. Go try it. Don't spill it. What does it taste like? What does it taste like though?
It's the same like the donut.
The same as the donut?
Yep.
Yeah? Have you
Kind of
tried
the
the...
same.
Looks like shredded carrots or something.
Thank you to watch me eat new food. Bye, tips. Subscribe to already. And watch my videos up there and subscribe down there. And follow me on Instagram.